Good morning, YouTube. This is just a quick video. In Florida, we're anticipating Hurricane Irma. Experiencing a little fear right now, so the only thing I'm praying is that it's not as bad as they say it's going to be, and if it is, that it doesn't do too much damage and a lot of people aren't injured. I'm starting to get a little scared with the amount of people calling and saying to evacuate. But this is what we're seeing as of right now, the heavy winds. No rain as of yet. Weather's still humid. You can tell it's approaching. The winds have been like this since last night. You can see a lot of people in my community stayed. A lot of people did not evacuate. And when you hear of a person staying, don't assume that they wanted to. Know that there's a possibility there was no way for them to get out. Number one, the roads were horrible, and there was a possibility if you left, with everybody panicking, that you may actually get stuck in the middle of Hurricane Irma. So just keep Florida and any other state that may possibly be affected by this hurricane in your minds and in your prayers. Sorry. Good morning.
Hello, how you doing?
Scared of the unknown.
Yeah. And the thing that I don't understand is how come the complex didn't, they do nothing for the people's security or nothing? They don't trim no trees?
I don't know. The only thing, like I saw she had put some tape on her window, so I was knocking because I didn't know which door was for that, because I didn't get the tape. I didn't think about the tape. I got everything else but that. But I asked them, these are hurricane-proof windows, but they're the older hurricane-proof windows. Yeah.
So all windows are hurricane-proof?
Every single one of them.
Yeah?
Yeah. You can tell it's coming by the movement of the trees, and if you look at the water looks like exactly. I don't know about the poles, but oh, so I'm not trying to scare you. Well, if I'm here, if you guys need anything, you can knock, but who's really gonna want to try and go out in that weather? But if exactly, that's the godly thing to do.
All right, be safe, but it's all right.
I am terrified.
I ain't terrified. It never rained or wind.
You know, I was fine. I was not terrified until everybody started calling me, and then watching CNN. It's the devil. Had me feeling like my heart was gonna be ripped
I got
out.
faith. I don't worry about it. This is God. This is something nature, Mother Nature has. We have no control over it. Keep your faith upstairs, and you don't worry about nothing else. How strong is your faith through all of this?